Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and it has been a good minute, okay? And I miss you guys. But yeah, in today's video, I'm just sharing how I make this homemade nectar juice, and I only use two ingredients to make it, which is some strawberries and some grapes, okay? If you want to increase your daily intake or help yourself in your daily intake of fruits, without having to pick up individual fruits every day, then this is for you. It is super easy, it is super fast, and it is so healthy. I love it, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Thank you. Alright guys, so here is my clean fruits. It is already washed, okay? And I have my shifter, and I also have a clean bowl, and on the side I also have my blender, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some fruits to my blender. As you guys can see, you can put both of them together, or you can just blend one at a time, like blend the grapes first, then blend the strawberries. Yeah, so I'm adding 4 cups of water to my blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blending. Alright guys, so it is nicely blended, and I'm gonna go ahead and shift this. If you're gonna do this, you want to use the shifter with the tiniest hole, that way you won't have to shift so many times. But yeah, we're gonna make sure we shift everything until it is only the grape residues left. As you guys can see, all the water is out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that. But if you want to use it on something else, go ahead and do so. So we're gonna repeat the same step until we blend every single fruit here, okay? Alright, this is the last batch, and as you guys can see, this is when I was blending the strawberry. The consistency of the strawberry is what makes this juice nectar, okay? It is so thick off, it is so good. So yeah, you can do only grapes, but blending strawberries and grapes together is amazing. So we shifted it until we have only the seeds of the strawberry left right there, and we're gonna throw that away as well because we don't need it, okay? So this I'm shifting again for the last time. So this is gonna be my second shift because I need this to be as smooth and clean as possible. I don't want to have any fruit residues in there, okay? So we're just gonna keep doing that. Okay guys, so this is what we have left, and that's what I'm talking about. I mean, you don't have to shift it, but look at that. I just don't want that. I don't want to taste that there. I just want it to be really clean and smooth. So yeah, we are done, and it is so thick and it is so good. If you have mint leaves, then you can add a little bit of mint leaf there, but I don't have mint leaves, so I just have a little bit left, and that's not going to be enough, so I just didn't want to bother. But yeah, we are done, and go ahead and serve yourself and enjoy this strawberry grapes nectar juice. Okay, so amazing, so yummy, and it's so healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.